amazing meditational, transformational fam trip, and I highly recommend it for anyone in all over the world because something like this is so unique, different, and such a blessing. Thank you, Culture Holidays.
What made this tour unique to me is the starting of the day with the meditation and the lectures that followed it. What I take away from this are many, many ideas which I hope I can incorporate in my life to make me more powerful as we were taught in this class.
This trip has got universal benefits for any type of person at any age, any walk of life. It was a perfect combination of absorbing a very rich culture and an amazing history and fun and lots of inner intangible things that you can take home. Exquisitely organized, and the hotels were amazing, and the food was fantastic, and the people were warm and wonderful.
Really?
Transformative seminars was just an added bonus. Changing myself, changing how I live my life and what I expect, and it just validated everything that
I am just amazed at the information that I have received, and I know now that I have unlimited power.
It's been the most amazing experience seeing. I enjoyed everything about it, more than I expected.